If you're in the market for a high-quality folding pruning saw that excels at cutting small to medium branches, the Corona Clipper PS-4040 is a tool you should consider. This saw features a 5-inch curved blade made from tempered steel alloy, which not only enhances its durability, but also provides a smooth and efficient cutting experience. The curved blade design is particularly noteworthy as it facilitates faster and more precise cuts, making gardening and pruning tasks less cumbersome. One of the standout features of this saw is its 7 precision ground teeth per inch, which help in achieving clean and accurate cuts with minimal effort. The blade itself measures 10.5 inches in length, offering a good balance between cutting capacity and portability. When folded, the saw measures just 8 inches, making it easy to carry and store. The handle is crafted from hardwood, providing a comfortable grip even during extended use. This ergonomic design ensures that you can maintain control and reduce hand fatigue. Weighing in at only 6.24 ounces, the Corona Clipper PS-4040 is lightweight, which further adds to its ease of use. Overall, this pruning saw combines functionality with convenience, making it a top choice for both amateur and experienced gardeners. Its high-quality materials, efficient design, and user-friendly features make it one of the best options available for managing small to medium branches in your garden. If you're looking for a reliable and effective pruning saw, the Corona Clipper PS-4040 should be on your radar.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.